Good morning, children. I hope you all are in the best of your health and happy. Children, as your summer break is soon going to start, here I am with lots of interesting activities which you can do along with your studies. Children, we all love to eat and drink yummy juices and shakes. So today I am going to share the recipe of potato sandwich, which is very easy, and mango lassi. We all love to eat mangoes. Summer is the season for mango. So we all are going to enjoy and learn how to make this interesting recipe of mango lassi. So let's start. So children, the first step in making mango lassi is to peel the mango and cut the mango. Children, half part of the mango will be chopped roughly, which we'll put in the mixer along with the curd. And the next half of the mango will be chopped into little finer pieces, little smaller pieces, which we will use at the time of serving the mango lassi. Children, knife is a sharp object. So for this process, make sure you take help of your parents or some other elder person. Now children, our mangoes are chopped. Now we will put the roughly chopped mangoes into this blender and add a cup of curd. If you want, you can add some sugar according to your taste. Now we will put this jar on the mixer and blend this entire mixture until everything in the jar is mixed properly and we get a nice, smooth and creamy lassi. Now take a glass in which you want to serve the mango lassi. Pour the lassi from the jar into the glass. Add smaller pieces of mangoes along with some raisins and cashews. Your mango lassi is ready to be enjoyed.
Yummy.
So children, today we learned the recipe of mango lassi, which is a healthy and refreshing drink to enjoy this summer. Let's move on to our next recipe, which is potato sandwich.
Potato. Ah!
For this recipe, we require boiled potatoes. We have to peel them and mash them. Now children, add salt according to your taste, mixed herbs, chopped green coriander leaves, chaat masala, little rock salt, and mix it well. Now children, this potato mixture is ready. Take 2 slices of bread and spread mayonnaise over it. Over this mayonnaise layer, you can add potato mixture. Spread it all over the bread. And then cover it with another slice of bread. Children, your potato sandwich is ready. Children, you can ask your parents to toast it on the tawa using butter to make it a bit crispy. So children, in this way we learned 2 interesting recipes to enjoy this summer. Children, make sure you take help of your parents while trying these recipes. All the best, children.